This is easily going to be my most ambitious print that I've done on the Flashforge Creator 5, and I would not do this build if I did not have the Creator 5. This here is going to be the Spider-Man from Yoast Studios, and I figured that I would go on ahead and do this as both a stress test, even though I've already pretty much done a whole lot of stress testing on the Flashforge Creator 5, but I also wanted to do this to hang it up on my wall so I can make it look a lot less, well, bland. Now, I do want to give an update on the Flashforge Creator 5 and how it's been treating me recently. It's been an absolute blast. This printer is so good. I've said it multiple times throughout my shorts. I've said it in my full review. This is my favorite printer that I own, and that still holds up till this day. I think it's about 3 or 4 weeks after my full review. This thing's a beast. So here's some of the cool stuff that I printed on it. I did both of these Carnages right here. I recently did this Master Chief. I did this mask right here. A lot of this stuff that you see in the back as well. This Gengar that you see back there. Like, this printer is so good. It's so fun to use, and I've been having a great time with it. And of course, I cannot forget this realistic Cobra that I printed out. I actually took some pictures outside with this thing, and it looks pretty damn real, especially in the grass. By the way, if you want a discount on the Creator 5, you can get one by using the coupon code DZA30OFF at the checkout of Flashforge's website. Just add the Creator 5 and you'll get that discount. This file on its own is going to take around 30 hours on the Flashforge Creator 5. I'm actually going to check right now to see how long it would take on the P1S. I'm gonna say at least 3 or 4 days. All right, so here's what it's looking like on the Flashforge Creator 5. 1 day, 6 hours, 34 minutes, and 459.92 grams of filament total. Holy balls, look at this. 3 days, 11 hours, 24 minutes, 1,117.27 grams of filament. And this, ladies and gentlemen, is exactly why you should get yourself a tool changer. All right, so as you can see, we are now 14 hours into this print right here, and it's looking pretty damn good. That is looking great. And the infill is only 2% 3D honeycomb. That's what it was set to in the default profile, so I didn't want to change anything that was going to make this print take any longer than it already is. So yeah. All right, so I've got these parts here printed for the actual cover. Now, one thing that had to be done, because this part right here is technically 5 colors because of the black that was in it. My homeboy, Mike's Quest Log, he ended up cleaning up the painting a little bit and just removed all the black from it. And yeah, so there's that. And now I am printing out this portion of it. And yeah, it's going pretty good. By the way, I'll have all the filament that I used for this print. I'll have TikTok links and I'll also have Amazon links. The TikTok links do have some really good deals, so they'll have some buy 10 and save 40% deals or buy 6 and save 30% deals. There's all kinds of deals on the filaments that I use, but Marsworks filament is freaking phenomenal. I love this stuff, and their spools are freaking amazing. So I'll have a video playing here. It's a vertical video, but basically instead of it being the snap click kind of spools, it's just pretty much these 2 clips on the side. You just push them in and then you can just pull out whatever filament that you have loaded on there. And it also comes with some Velcro straps that you can use, and you can put them in between the gaps of the spool, so that way you can just tidy up your refill, and then you could throw another one on there, take out whatever plastic is holding it together, and you're good. It's refilled. These are easily, like I said, the best spools that I've used. Really good filament too. All right, so now that all of the supports are off of these pieces, I did print the webs as well. And the problem with these is that I did use the support PLA stuff from Bamboo. I've had it for a while now, and it worked for these 2 pieces, but 2 other pieces did break, so I ended up scrapping them. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna test out some PVA, because why the hell not? Let's get to assembling. right, so the PV8 is loading, and I only got a half a kilogram because I'm only going to be using this for the support interface. And the last half a kilo that I had of the support PLA stuff, it lasted since I got the Bamboo Lab P1S, which was like, what, 2 years ago or something like that? Can't wait to try it out. Yeah, looks like Spider-Man did a number on this whole thing. All right, so I've got my pink bucket with some water. Just gonna throw that in there. Immediately starts dissolving actually, which is pretty damn dope. So all that stringiness is basically gone. Just gonna let it sit for a couple hours, and that's pretty much it. So I will give an update. All right, so I probably should have used more support interface layers because yeah, that's not coming off. So I'm just gonna print the entire support base and the interface with the PVA, see how that turns out. All right, so far it's looking pretty damn good. We've got 6 hours for this print. Let's let it do its thing. All right, so the rest of the webs are ready to go. Just gonna attach these onto it. That PVA did pretty much melt like butter. I put it in hot water, so didn't take too long, maybe about an hour and a half or two. But man, that came out super clean. After about a whole week full of printing, this thing is finally done. Man, this took a long time to print, but it was totally worth it because look at how sick it came out, man. If I didn't have the Creator 5, I would not attempt this thing at all. It came out so damn good. Yeah, I'm happy with this. I'll have links down in the description and also in the comment section to the Flashforge Creator 5. I also have a link to the file so that way you can print this yourself if you want to. And yeah, it came out so damn fire. Also, if you want a discount on the Creator 5, use the coupon code DZA30OFF, DZA30 off, and you'll get a $30 discount on the Creator 5. But yeah, I can finally close out this video and say this was sick as hell.